Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have a Microsoft account and the right apps. Sign in now. Open the Microsoft app or Edge because mobile earning routes live there. Once signed in, make sure notifications and location are enabled so offers and bonus events appear. You'll need baseline privacy settings set to allow searches to count. Now tap the profile icon and confirm your reward status. That first check makes subsequent steps faster and avoids lost points. You'll earn by searching and completing daily tasks. Use the Microsoft App Search or Edge for Bing searches to record activity. Tap Rewards, then open daily sets and quizzes. These are optimized for mobile and refresh each day. Make sure to complete mobile-only activities like image searches and short in-app quizzes. They stack quickly. Also check the Offers tab for bonus point promotions. Pace yourself. Short tasks across the day add up, and signed-in searches are what register for points. Finalize by checking your point balance and redeeming from the Rewards Hub for gift cards or sweepstakes entries. Choose a reward and follow the prompts. Make sure your account is synced across devices so points consolidate. If points don't show, clear app cache, force close and reopen the app, then re-log in. Check the rewards activity history to identify where points failed. If problems persist, wait 24 hours for processing. Most issues resolve after a
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.